Autonomous RC car, and we're using our variable throttle model, and we've modified the minimum and maximum speeds to be a little higher, and we've reduced our steering gain to reduce wobbliness. And right now you can see it's kind of speeding up on straights and then slowing down when it reaches a major turn, and then it speeds up again right there. But yeah, it looks pretty good. The next steps are to continue improving the model.
So we have an object detection model working on the original Nano car. It doesn't run the fastest and works the best on these straightaways, but it's able to avoid objects. Looking at the resource usage summary here for the original Jetson while we run the object avoidance model, we can see that the memory is close to maxed out the entire time, while the cores take turns getting maxed out.
So we fixed the PyTorch error because before it was showing that Torch was installed in this location, but Torch to TRT is installed in a different location, so we needed to uninstall the Torch from that default location, and then now I ran these commands to show that I uninstalled Torch, and then now when I ran Python 3 and checked the Torch installation, it shows that it's in the same location as Torch to TRT. So this is where all of our modules and libraries for everything on the Orin is. So here's Torch, and then where's Torch to TRT? Torch to TRT is right here. So now they're both in the same location. So right now the steering is set to 0, right? And what we're going to pay attention to is the steering when I change these values. I'm going to change it to 0.4, then the wheel should turn. Yeah, so turn left. Now let's change it to minus 0.4. Change it to right. Yep, change it to right. So we have steering working. Start back at 0. Then should go to the middle. Okay. Steering gain. This is just to calibrate it. I'm not going to mess with this right now. Steering offset. This is just, it's using the equation of a line to change this offset. I don't really know why. I have no reason to change this right now. So we're going to pay attention to throttle though. Throttle is what's going to actually move the car. So this is where we're going to want to, yep. So I'm going to, like, for whatever reason, if I do 0.1, it's not enough to move the car. I think anything under 0.4 is not enough to move the car. So I'm going to do 0.2, doesn't move the car. Do 0.3, oh, it just moved the car. Now 0.4, for whatever reason, it just goes full out. Like the back wheels would just start like burning rubber. Well, it didn't really burn rubber. Okay, fine. Let's try 0.5. Yeah, okay, yeah. Let's set it back to 0. So, we need the variable throttle 2 model, then we have to change the minimum speed to 0.4. And we can get the wheels turning, and we have the camera outside. We're able to change the variables, and you can see the throttle stuff changing. And the track acceleration is still changing. So we still can't test it on the track because we need to get another cable to get the battery pack to work. But so far, it looks promising that we might be able to get the road following variable throttle 2 model tested tomorrow. Okay, so Justin and I adjusted the model to the variable throttle model, and it's going pretty fast right now. We made some adjustments.
Engineering is hosting a free robot and AI exhibition tomorrow at the Engineering Building. From 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., the community is invited to see the BU Mars rover, combat robotics, and the Vestal First robotics team, and more for demonstration. Per BU policy, anyone under 17 will have to have a parent or guardian with them. And while organizers hope this event gives people interested in robotics a chance to learn more about the event, it is designed for anyone to attend.